Alright, let's solve three Leetcode problem. Actually, three Leetcode problem, it doesn't make any sense for the algorithm. It's a mathematics question. I don't know which company asked this degree for software engineer interview. Alright, given the two numbers, hours and minutes, we have to retain the small angle in degrees found between hours and minute hand. So we have to answer within the negative 100,000 for the accurate value, where we accept that as correct. So we check the constraint first, so it will be definitely sure for the 1 to 12 hours because we don't have 24 hours in the analog clocks, and the minutes will be 0 to 59 for sure. So let's do check the given interval first. So the interval is hour is 12 and minutes is 30. We have to check how many degrees. We can consider like two parts in here. So from here, if we go through the clockwise like this way, that will be 360 degrees according to the common ground of the degree of the cycle. And we have to think, do we want the degree from here to there, or do we want the degree from here to there? So look like the answer is 165. So if we have the 360 in half, so that means 360 by half is like divided by 2 will be 180. So that definitely sure is taking this portion, like this portion, because if we take the answer on the left part, that will be more than 180 degrees for sure. So that is 165, how they get it. So we need to keep in mind that if we move the minutes hand, the hour ends will also slightly move based on where the minutes hand is it. And okay, let's check the example 2. The hour end is at the 3 and minutes is 30, that means 330. So we have to check the degree of this. So let's do the same basic mathematics. So this is 60 minutes in the 1 hour, and that is technically the clockwise, and we have 360 degrees for the full degree of the cycle. So if we calculate back, that is each minute's worth like 6 degrees, right? Let's write it down before we forgot. 1 minute is 6 degrees, and we got our degree. How about hour? So hour is let's check again. We have 360 degrees again and 12 hours. That is like 30 degrees for each hour, but it doesn't help anything. Let's just write it down. Wait, let me think about it. Is it correct or not? Yep, correct. It's a 30 degree. And what we want is, we still need to consider about, let's say if we know the minutes degree, we know that what is our minutes hand is located at. How about the hour degree? We need to think about what if the hour is like 3 hours and 20 minutes. That definitely sure is not in between of the 3 and 4. That's probably where it is in like in between like 3.5 and 3, I would say. So we need to think the consideration of how many degree will move. That's my basic thinking. What I'm considering is, let's say we have like 6 degrees in here and 30 degrees in here. How about we check the every hour is a 30 degree. We need to see like how many degree was moved to the hour hand if we move the each 60 minutes. That will be 1.5, which is a 0.5. Okay, let's consider 0.5. I think we can start working on it by thinking about the minute hand first instead of the hour. Let's check like let's call like minute angle. That will be minutes into 6, and I think we better convert it to the maybe we don't need the double. Yeah, I think better convert to double because the answer itself is also asking the double instead of the integer. So we have a minutes in here. Let's calculate the hour angle. So for calculate the hour angle, we just simply multiplying the hour with the 30 degree that we calculate in here, and we have the consideration of the hour angle will move based on the minutes. So multiplying with 1.5 is 0.5, and we can return like a minimum of hour angle minus minute angle. Yeah. Or it could be removing from 360. Okay, let's check first before we make a faster decision. Let's try to run it locally first. Right, so we need something middle ground in between. Let's call it different where we absolute of our angle minus minute angle, and we want the minimum of different and 360 minus different. Yep, then that will work. Cool, I think the space and time complexity will be just O of 1. That is not even the accurate, then I would say. It's just a mathematics equation. Yep, time complexity is O of 1 and space complexity also O of 1. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye!